Welcome back. Today we are going to look at elect and elect. They might sound the same, but their meanings are as different as night and day. Let's dive in. Elicit, elect, is a verb that means to draw something out, usually a response or action. For example, the comedian's joke elicited laughter from the crowd. It's about provoking a reaction. Whereas illicit, elect, on the other hand, is an adjective meaning something illegal or forbidden. The police cracked down on his elect activities. Here we are talking about something illegal or unethical. Now you can differentiate between elect and elect. One draws a response and the other involves something illegal. Make sure to subscribe for more homophones and keep learning.